Hello, my alien students. Welcome everyone. Today we're just doing a brush up class on Revit plumbing. Yes, so what we have done, we linked, if we've not linked, we just open a template. Just 1 minute. It's there. Okay, yeah, so we've linked just a Revit plumbing thing. Insert, link Revit. And let's say MEP design, new plumbing course. I think it's this one, yes, this one. Okay, what we will do is, this is the Revit plumbing, so architectural link file which we have linked. Okay, what you can do is, you can move this guy out, or generally I don't like him because he's just taking my real estate. Select one. Okay, okay, that's better. Okay, what's the plan is, see, this is the ground floor. Okay, we will make the levels now. Okay, this is mine, that is his. So what we can do is align his level with my level. Done. Okay, so we have two levels, level 1 and level 2. Okay, what I'll do is, we plan, just, there's no hard rule. This will be the plan. 1 minute, let my pen hit. Yeah, this will be the plan. The plan would be, okay, the plan would be like this. Okay, we will route all the pipes. I'm talking about the drainage. Okay, all of them. Yeah, you can also bring these guys inside. Okay, and then maybe this way, and connect them together. Okay, and then you go to the outside. Okay, one option is this, because we have a chase underneath, we have an empty void space here. Okay, if that was not there, we will have to go downstairs. This is looking from the top view, looks like that, but if you look at in the section view, this is looking from here, section view. This is the wall, this is the finished floor level. Okay, let's say, just example, in this case, what we are doing now, we have another chase here, isn't another wall here. I'm talking about this one is this one, and this wall is this one. Okay, so we are looking, our let's say plumbing fixture is here, whatever, toilet or whatever, water closet, sorry. Okay, whatever. So in this case, we have room here, so we can use S-trap, sorry, P-trap. Okay, we'll use the P-trap one. If we didn't have room here, we should have used the S-trap, which is this way, and then bring it forward to the main lane. Okay, if we cannot make a hole behind, because sometimes, not sometimes, most of the times you can't have, let's say this example. Okay, this water closet was here. Okay, you're not having ability to make a hole on the wall and get the pipe outside. So if I look from here, I'm just talking about this case. Okay, wall, finished floor, my water closet. Oh, sorry, it's a bit, it should have been this way, isn't it? I'm just talking about this one. I can use a P-trap and then go out, but I have to cut a wall, isn't it? And then this pipe will be seen outside, which is not the ideal situation. What you would like to do is, in that case, do it as an S-trap. So it goes down, and then you get the pipe inside the building. So nothing is going out of the building. Only problem in this scenario is that you need to cut the slab. Right? There is another option. We will raise this plumbing water closet up. How we can raise it? By putting a false or raised floor. So then the water closet can go inside without damaging the slab. Okay. Why we don't want to damage the slab? Because if we make a hole in it, we are destroying its structural properties. So what we will do is, for time being, we will go through this method where the wall, we have the void space here, which is this one. Okay, and let's say this is my plumbing fixture, P-trap, and then keep going that side. Okay, so if I look from this side, it will look like this. Just stop everything. Okay, this is the water closets. Okay, and that's the wall water. Okay, so pipe is coming from here, this way, down, this way, down, whatever. Okay, yeah, I think that is fair enough. All of them will be like that. Okay, this is the outlet of that P-trap. So that's the story. Let's start. Okay, we can go to system. We need to draw a pipe. We need to have it level 1 plumbing, which is correct. Sanitary, 110 plumbing. We need to be in DWV because drainage, waste and ventilation. PVC schedule 40, 110. Okay, what we can do is, let's draw the main pipe. Okay, let's draw the main pipe. Okay, generally, let's say 450 or 500 millimeter. Okay, and going slope down. How much? 2%, 1%. Okay, there is one story here. Okay, as per IPC standard, okay, if it is greater than 2.5 inch, so 2.5 inch, okay, pipe size is greater than 2.5 inch, you would have a slope of 1:8. That means 1% slope. Okay, which is equal to 1:100. What does 1:100 mean? 1:100. Okay, not 1 is equal to 100. 1:100. What does it mean is, for every unit, 1 unit. I'll tell you. For example, if I have a length of 100 units of length, the pipe length is 100 meters. Okay, 1:100 means what? If this is 100-meter pipe, this pipe has to go down. If you say slope down, okay, we're talking about slope down. This is, let's say, a straight pipe. This is 0 degree. Okay, let's say this is 0 degree. And this is 0 degree. Okay, 1:100 means, if for a length of 100 meters, length of the pipe, I need to, for every 100 meter, I need to go 1 meter down. That means the pipe has to be, if this is 1 meter, minus 1 meter. Okay, that's the meaning of 1:100. If you say 10 centimeter, if whatever, 1 unit to same unit. Okay, so anyway, so we are above 4 inch is 100 millimeter is above 2.5 inch, so we'll use 1:8. That is 1:100. Okay, so 1% slope. Okay, we are using 100 millimeter pipe. Going from here to here. We'll forget about that one. We can come there. Then he says you can't see. I said, oh, very good. We will see. We will see him. We'll see him. Don't worry. Don't stress about it. A view range. Just do unlimited, and you will see. Okay. Okay. Good. Are we DWV? Good. Okay. So that's the story. Very good. Now what we will do is, okay, we agreed that we will do a pipe which is like this, right? 45, 45, 45. Here also we can, okay, but just first draw the water closets. Wall mounted, public. I'm going to draw one. Okay. and then we can copy them. Okay, this is the plumbing fixture which I have done. He will ask you draw a pipe. He will ask you which connector you need. We are going slope down 1%. He says, I don't know why he's made 100. Should be 100. He might give you error. No, he's not giving you error. We need to see it's a wall mounted, right? So we will go down now. See, what I'll do is just keep it this way. And I would like to have an elbow which is going this way. Okay, just draw one section box here. This is perfect. Pipe is here. We need to get it down. We need one more. If you want the section is too big for you, take a lot of space, make it small. Create similar. Flip. Why did I do that? Is I'm pressing WT and ZA. Okay. See, here it is difficult to know what's the pipe. You can select the pipe there. 1 minute. Okay. I just need to see the other pipe. Where is it? The pipe is here. I need to get this connected to this one. Okay. I can select this pipe, and I'm sure it is this pipe. If you cannot select them, just come here and select this pipe. So you're selecting the right pipe, and then draw a pipe which is an angle of 135. Okay. He's not happy with it because he is having less space. No drama. We make him longer. Just give it this much. Okay. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. What we'll do is I will copy now this one to all of them. Better align this first. Can you see it? First, that is important. I think you can't see it, so I'll make it black. And yeah, it should be better now. If it's, okay. I will align this time. So what I'll do is now I can copy this one to all the other. Okay, CO multiple constraint. Yes, better to start from the center. Okay. Okay, it is good. What we'll do is we will draw Y, create similar slope up, and 1 minute. We just see if this is possible. Make a faster one. No, no, no. 1 minute. Okay, we just TW. Align this guy with this. Okay. I'm just tempted to do section 1. Okay, this is locked down. this section, which is this one. Okay, so that's why I'm not able to do it. Okay. John, your legend. Okay, I'll tell you one thing. This is a PVC T. Okay, but would like to have it as a Y. Is it loaded? Y45. Okay, double. We don't want double. We want single. Insert load family. I think this is good. I just want to see how it looks. What's the problem? No problem as such. No problem. Yeah, I think this is better than this one, isn't it? Okay. What I'll do is I change its properties type. If you don't find this, if you can't get it in your Revit, let me know. Just message me, John. How do you get it? I'll show you how to become an alien. Okay. Okay. That's what it is. No, don't do this. It's called kind. Let's say creates similar. You can do it from okay. Is he complaining? Yes, he's complaining. No drama. We got a lot of space here. Okay. How would you like to get this one? I've not placed the urinal. Three-quarter, it's three-quarter. Create instance. If you don't know what I'm doing, just ask me, send me a message. John, what shortcut did you use there? Sharp 5. I am tempted to use a Y. Generally, it's not allowed to do it, but I'm tempted to use a double Y. Okay, go to view. Okay, what I'll do is I'm tempted to do it this way. Okay, which is not really allowed in most of the standard, not allowed to do that, but just to get some practice, you know. Not aligned. Okay. Sorry. I'm sorry. Make a double Y. I think it's going to be too tight here. No space. No space. It's too close to the level. You know, you not have a point that is so close. We can bring him here and then. Okay, let him bring it. It's too low. But am I talking to myself? No. It is not happy with my movement down. Not really happy. Yes. Okay. It is or why. Anyway, it is what it is. We have to load it. We're not going to Mount Everest to get it. It is just in the library. Why I think this is the one. Yeah. So I need an extra elbow, but this one is. Let's see what it is. We just load both. Same thing. And this will be combination. Flip, flip. Okay, this is better. Why? I can make it this way straight to him. Welcome to the club. See, this was how much? 50. Wow. No, it's not connected. Oh, no, not connected. I join your area. I know that. Thank you. Okay. It is red because I've done the selection window, but it is green. Okay. Okay. Hope everybody enjoyed this class. Same story here. Pipe is going. We can do it straight down. It goes down, and then from the underneath the floor, connect it to the. Generally, this is not allowed in Australia. Double one. Okay, but no, I thought I'd just show you how to do it because some of my students are from other states, other countries. Anyway, everyone, hope you enjoyed this class. To just show a model of how to draw a plumbing fixture. Take care, and we will see each other in the next class. Yeah, bye.